Hello guys! Mabuhay! My name is Rams Atagap and welcome to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, another reaction from Bunny Babiola. And the title song is Bunny Babiola, Thank You for Everything Dear. This is the music official video. And I just want to say, if you are not yet connected to me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell button so you are always updated in my reaction video. And thank you to those who continue to watch my reaction video. And thank you for subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Thank you for subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, relax and enjoy. Let's start the reaction video. Bunny Babiola, thank you for everything dear. Official music video. I like the beat. Sounds good. Oh, this is the Bunny Babiola. Guys, Bunny Babiola is the queen of melody. Oh, beautiful song and beautiful voice. I like the place. Very beautiful place. Bunny Babiola, you are so... Wow. Woo! Oh, yeah. Bunny Babiola, beautiful voice. Wow. Oh my God. Wow, beautiful song and beautiful voice, Bunny Babiola. Wow. I like the lyrics. Wonderful. Wow, Bunny Babiola, you are the queen of melody. Beautiful voice. Wow. Oh, I love the lyrics. Bunny Babiola, your voice is amazing. Wow, wonderful. Wow, beautiful. Wow, that's the video. And Bunny Babiola, thank you for everything, dear. Beautiful voice and beautiful song, Bunny Babiola. You are the queen of melody, Bunny Babiola. So guys, that's the video. And if you like my reaction, just give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. So guys, this is me, Rams Atagap. See you again in my next reaction video. Thank you for watching.